Alright, so I got this all cleaned up. So now there's a little oil hole that gets drilled in the center of each of these ears. So used my edge finder, found the center, and came over. So I got my center drill in, and I'll come back after we drill that with a 1/16 of an inch hole. Yeah, it looks nice. Okay. Now I'll move the table over, and I'll center this side. Okay, so we got a number 36 drill bit, and gonna drill and tap that for a 632, and all right, let's get going. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so here we are. The column is all done. All the holes are drilled. The oil holes for the axle, for the flywheel, and crankshaft. There you have it. And the base is all done here. This is drilled for the 632 screws. That'll mount the column to the base like this, and I got some mounting screws that'll mount the whole thing to a wooden base when I'm all done. So alright, got a couple more videos I'm going to be putting up, and be wrapping this up fairly shortly. Thanks for watching.